Hey guys, I'm here with episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. Before we jump into this episode, as always, please feel free to check out my Patreon. You can find that in the description below. This show has just been a roller coaster of emotions right now. I feel like my feelings are still conflicted about everything that's been happening. The story feels very intriguing and very interesting. So overall, my feelings are just like all over the place right now. I'm just so curious to see where we go from here, because so much has been happening and it's been very dramatic. And damn, is it so epic too. I mean, I think I've said this from the beginning. I feel like every shot on this show just feels like art. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. And I'm ready to just jump right into this episode together with you guys. Calling it right now. I think it's Sazaki's room. Oh, wow. Oh, I like how they're there. Oh man, nothing's changed. Poor Aki. God, these two. Oh. God, what could he be feeling right now? He's always been the very stoic one. God, things just feel so depressing now. To be fair, everything's been depressing from the beginning of the show. Oh. 2 years. That's what he did to the sword guy. Damn, I love the animation on this. Oh. Oh, man.
忘れた漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど、まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。
I mean, Aki already lost like his family too in the past. This poor guy.
あれ?
Remember when she said too that he cries for all the fallen buddies?
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。初めて友達になろうって言ってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね?
Wow, we're hitting like emotional territory now with this.
泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。
Is like the devil thing affecting him at all too? Or is this more of like a, this is how his life has been? So he's a little more numb to it? I don't know.
マキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか?
Really? That's the first thing you ask?
指導?
Wow. This show really is like beautiful. That was all really good. Yeah, but why are we after Denji? Like, is he that powerful? What does he mean to the greater story? I know he's the protagonist, so, you know, something has to happen there, but... Oh, is it the guy from, we've seen him a couple times, right? And he was in the intro a lot. Yeah, it's him. The opening.
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか。
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだ。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
Ooh.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Wow. So I love the honesty between these two.
100点だ。お前指導だ。
He's probably
じゃ
seen
あ
some
あと
shit.
はよろしく。
マキマさん
呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先
This
生。
guy.
好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すこと。
Alright. I feel like he fits. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Is this lesson number 1? What?
様と違うのは
血の匂いじゃ。
Did he actually break their necks? Just so he can like heal them? God,
するとこだな。
this teaching method is interesting.
知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。
Yeah, I want to know why.
簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。
なんでさっきわしらを締めた。
俺は人間を鍛えたことは愛嬌なわけだから。お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで、俺はお前たち。
Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? Is that really going to be his training
頭
method?
が終わっておる。
も
じゃあ再開だ。
う酔
Uh,
ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ、
oh shit, that's clean. I love that. They're about to get their asses kicked. Oh, fuck. Did not see this coming. Oh. God. Fuck. Bro, I love this show. It's just so the chaos.
とっさに人の頭をぶん。俺がお前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
I'm afraid how he trains the humans. Like, fuck.
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
Hasn't he already been through enough hell? I feel like what more can he,
バディを殺したやつ。
Yeah. Nothing's gonna stop him at this point.
なのになんでやめれるんですか。
Yeah.
そうですか。わかりました。
Who is it? Really? Come on. Don't cliffhanger us.
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Have they been doing this all night? Yeah. Holy shit. By the way, the aesthetic of this graveyard place is amazing. It's so aesthetically pleasing.
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ。
One of my favorite parts of this show has been their relationship.
20回。
Holy shit, 20 times.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわかる。
Now they gotta walk home.
強すぎじゃ。
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに、楽しくなくて頑張るの。
Yeah, this rate, they're both gonna like quit.
一緒に逃げるか。
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ。
じゃだ。酒で頭がダメになってお
Or are
る。
they gonna
わしらは
drink him
頭
out?
を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。
No, my god.
俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに。
I love when they like mention manga.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
It's just like the irony of it.
なんか俺、すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
Some music.
ウヌもか。わしはもう撮影100個思い
Yeah, these two. Talking about using their heads. I don't know. I feel like there's just irony in that. What have they come up with? What are they doing? Oh! He seriously just dodges that? He's so chill about this. Oh. Oh! I mean, these are good plans, but this dude clearly is outmatched. Or is outmatching them. Damn.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだな。もっと頭を使え。今回の敗因は2つ。良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
I love his training method, but it's Powie.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃん。
Oh! Oh! God.
はい。
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Oh, he was... Yeah. That was such a good shot when they look back and you see the shining of the blade coming at him. God, the animation has been so good.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは
Where the hell are we
結
going?
構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君
It's a prison?
が公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込んでい
Yeah.
る。ここで武器を見つけましょう。
Are they just gonna go around like picking devils?
関係ないですけど。
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなので。
Oh man, this is sad. Oh man, she's been trying to... Oh. He's never gonna quit now. Wow, he's gonna make a contract. Future devil? What is he gonna give up for this? He already said he has 2 years, right? The fact that they got these guys locked up and they can just like come down here and like abuse their power and steal or borrow it, I guess. I actually love like the scenario of that, or the theme of the. I love the theme of the show overall. It's so good, but it's like super dark. They're just locking him in there with him. Just an eyeball. Oh, come on. Alright. I love how each of these are so different than the next. It must have been so much fun making all of these closings. God damn, Mappa. Go over the art team. God. Yeah, another really good closing. I like that. Really great song too. Yeah, I mean, I asked what's to come next, and yeah, apparently it's more or less character building time a bit. I mean, they got the new teacher. I like him a lot. He's pretty damn cool. His teaching methods are very interesting. As I said before, I'm also afraid how he used to teach his human students, if he teaches them like this. I don't know, the comedy of the show is just so good. How they like put it in with like the action, and like they make it like epic but funny. And it's the characters that really like push the humor forward, which is great because like Power and Denji are hilarious, and this guy's fun. I mean, all these characters have such great personalities, and it really like lends itself to the atmosphere of this show. It feels very like down and real because, you know, there's humor, there's action, there's drama. Like I said before, especially the last 2 episodes, my feelings and like, I don't know, my emotions have just been everywhere because this show just kind of hits everything when you're not expecting it to. But yeah, I really do like the teacher. He's a great addition. I love how this is all playing out with Nanaki now. Like, I mean, his stuff was really sad and depressing, and it's even more sad now because her sister visit, yeah, like the whole letter thing. But he's never gonna quit now after everything he's been through, and now he has to make a deal with another devil, which at this point I feel like he doesn't give a shit about because apparently he's already made 2. And the sword one says he only has 2 years. I mean, what's he gonna trade for this next one? And they called it the future devil, so I mean, what does that entail? And of course it's an eye. Like, what else would, you know, they first implicate with a future, you know, I feel like that's the first, you know, aesthetic you think about. But yeah, it's kind of like a building episode off of the last 2, showing our characters kind of, you know, I mean, honestly, it feels like more of like a training episode, giving us a little glimpse at, you know, now our characters need to kind of improve, and now that we're in one division. Now I'm just super curious as to not only what Aki gets out of this, but what he has to trade for it. But yeah, I must mention this every time. The animation mappa is so good. It's so artistic, beautiful. The scenery, the locations, all like the little like simple aesthetics that they put in there. Just so real and lifelike, and I love it. Definitely different than every other anime I've seen so far in a great way. But yeah, only a few more episodes left of this season. I'm a little sad about it, but I have really enjoyed it so far. It's just been a roller coaster, honestly. And there's no like single path. Like, it is just going everywhere. You can't predict what's happening next, and I love it for those reasons. Simply put, the aesthetic of the show overall in general is like really what intrigues me. Just the whole plot, everything about this. And I'll use this term again, it's because it's so chaotic, and I love chaos. But yeah, great episode. Felt like a really good dialogue and character building episode with some good, you know, sequences here and there. I really hope you guys enjoy this reaction, and I'll catch you guys for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. Have a good one, guys.